Hi, my name's Luke. I'm here studying at the Menzies Institute of Technology. This is our laboratory where we do most of our work. We've got friendly staff that work here. Our teacher is very knowledgeable, and also the students are very friendly. So if we walk over here, we might be able to see some of the work we've done today. We're working on registration rooms at the moment. So if we have a look at this one, can you pass me that one? So this is what we're working on today. We've also, in the past few weeks, made mouth guards and been pouring out models, and we've got plenty of work to go in the next few weeks. Thank you.
Yeah.